We're dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 46. A proton charge 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 19 is projected into a uniform magnetic field of flux density 5.0 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5t. Now, if the proton moves parallel to the field with a constant speed of 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of 6 meter per second, calculate the magnitude of the force exerted on it by the field. Now we have Q, the charge Q, to be 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 19. We have the B, the flux density of 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5, and also we have the speed V of 1.6 times 10 raised to the power of 6. But then if you are given a question like this, you pay attention. Now normally the force of a particle when it is moving in the direction of the field, take note, in the direction of the field, it is very important. F will be equal to what? QVB, in the direction of the field. But our question did not tell us that it was moving in that direction. It said it moves parallel to the field with a constant velocity. Now the word parallel changes the course of our solution. Now when a particle moves parallel to a field, it has no force, hence its velocity is constant. The force, there's no net force acting on that particle. So when a charged particle moves parallel to a field, there is no net force acting on it by that field. So no force is exerted on it by the field. So what I mean by no force is that the force acting on this body F will be equal to 0.0 Newton. So there is no force, and that's option A. So in this particular question, no need to solve. If you solve using the formula, you see your answer there, but it will actually be wrong because the word parallel to the field, or the phrase parallel to the field, has changed the course of the solution. So the answer is A. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.